How to make the Hiccup cocktail. Hello and welcome to Video Jug.
Muchacho! My name is Giovanni, the Margarita King. I'm the creator of the world's best margarita in a bottle.
The Margarita King is made with a blend of blue agave tequila, orange liqueur, and natural lemon and lime juices. The Margarita King made Giovanni Hollywood's hottest mixologist. Now he's introduced an easy way to give your beer a bigger buzz and a better taste. It's called the Hiccup. To make it, you will need some Margarita King, a chilled tall glass, and a bottle or can of your favorite beer. To show us how to make this refreshing cocktail, here's bartender Sergio. Step 1. Pour a cold one.
For those of you who like to drink beer, to spice it up, add a little bit of the King.
Pour out half of your can or bottle of beer, about 6 ounces. Step 2. Mix in margarita.
Float the Margarita King over the beer.
Add approximately the same amount of margarita as you did the beer, depending on your taste. Step 3. Serve.
It's refreshing.
Cheers.